Well, good afternoon, everyone. Billy with you on this Saturday, October 30th, 2021 day. Welcome to our special Halloween edition of Food Review Saturdays. And no, I'm not gonna make. I know there's a lot of young kids who are tuning in on this Halloween edition of Food Review Saturdays, who are planning on going trick or treating tomorrow night. So for those of you kids who are watching, I welcome you to this edition. And hope you will enjoy some of the food reviews I've done in the past. So all you kids young who are ages 5 to 10 who are going trick-or-treating tomorrow, we welcome you to the show. And hope you guys will get a taste of what my food reviews are going to be for the upcoming week. But anyway, this is our special Halloween edition of Food Review Saturdays. And today we are doing our Dave Singles cheeseburger review from our friends at Wendy's, where quality is the recipe. And we got the Diet Coke here on as far as our beverage. We got the Dave Single cheeseburger here. We got the fries, and let me take this out. I hope I don't drop my fries, which I didn't. So that's good enough. There's still some fries in here in the bag. So let's go ahead and get started. Very good. And now let's take a bite of this cheeseburger. Fantastic. Oh, by the way, I made my Gator jerseys today, and for good reason, because Florida squares off against #1 ranked Georgia at 3:30 p.m. today on CBS. So, looking forward to today's SEC showdown in Jacksonville. So, I'm looking forward to that. I know all you SEC football fans are looking forward to it too. Now for the sip of Diet Coke. And I hope you guys enjoyed my Halloween special last week. And I know you guys got a taste of some Halloween Havoc action. But anyway, let me get one last bit of this, one last taste of these fries before we go off the air. And one last bite of the sandwich. But anyway, that's going to do it for today's installment of Food Review Saturdays, a special Halloween edition, everyone. Thank you all for joining us, and look forward to seeing you next Saturday for our first Food Review Saturdays for the month of November. Take it easy, guys. Happy Halloween. Bye-bye.